How to add music to your Roblox game. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add music to your Roblox game. Firstly, open Roblox and go to the create option. Here at the left section, you will see a panel. From that panel, go to creations. Now everyone will have this one game by default. Tap on that game or any other game that you'd like to edit. After opening, you will see the option Edit in Studio. Before this, make sure that Roblox Studio is installed on your PC. Now it will open to your Roblox Studio. Now at the top right section, you will see this kind of panel. On this panel, tap on the first option, Workspace. At the beginning of the workspace, there is a drop-down icon. Click on it. After that, tap on the plus icon. Now search for sound. Click on sound to add it. Once you do that, then it will be added under workspace. On sound also, click on the plus icon. Now search for the music that you would like to add. So just like that, you will be able to add sound to your Roblox game. That is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.